Hey, hi everyone. Uh, One by one item is being set up for the New Year journey. First caravan or camper ride on my Suju, and I just got my Black and Decker 24 liter one. Let's unwrap the thing and let's see what it is and all. I just received from Amazon. It's a 24 liter capacity. You can see this is from Black and Decker 24 liter and compatible with both car as well as it has 220 volts and 12 volts input. Let's check it out. I'm also not sure how much it will work and all. Let's dig in deep and see. Yeah, let me get my scissor. I have my home toolkit also with Black and Decker, so prefer this for the camper version. Oh, as you can see, it's neatly packed inside and everything look good. Yeah. Sorry for my video thing. Here comes here comes our unit. Black and Decker neatly. The finish looks very neat and I think it meets the purpose. Yeah. You can see 2 bags are provided. Yeah, here are the inputs we shall talk about. And let's try to open it. It's pretty hard. Yeah, this is the thing. If you see here, if it is set here, this is the lock that is happening, and if you open it, yeah, as expected. It has a strap. I don't think it have it here. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. This is a thing given for support. I think this should help it out. Yeah, that is a lock. So we are hands free from this. If you can see here, the fan that enables cooling and all. And let's see what we have inside. We have a user manual, and this is the warranty card and authorized service center. This is why I prefer the Black and Decker, because we can go to authorized service center and get the things done. And what we have here, yeah, this is the partitioner. We can keep it. We shall look into it. And as I said, we have 2 cords. One is for 220, and yeah, as I said, this should serve as 220 as it has 2 inlets. And this is for the car one, which is 12 volts. Yeah. Okay, now I think these are the for the storage book. Oh, my bad. Hopefully nothing happened. And this is the partitioner which I was talking about. We see, yeah, can see, like there are two partitions given. You can use this. This is for filling the bottles, and this is for fruits or anything, or else you can simply leave it open. And as you can see, it is very well depth also. I don't think I think like it will fit maximum. And as I said previously, let's see the inputs. Okay, if you can see here, this is the AC input if you are connecting at home level, and this is DC input 12 volts when you are connecting to car. Okay, and we have two buttons. First is DC. If you are connecting to car, let's put it to DC. Initially it is off, and if you are connecting to home, you can go with the AC. The switches are given, and it supports both hot and cold. As stated, it you can put it to cold or you can put it to hot. And this one I liked it, like it is a locking mechanism which will be stable, and once it is done, it will act as a unlocking thing. In the finish you see, and the metal, it's very hard, and I think they justified for the amount we have put it. Okay, now I need to check out its functionality thing. Let's see how well it works.